Right, today, and unfortunately she's been roped into this again. Might as well be our vlog at this point.
Yeah,
it's not, it's mine.
I've spent every day with you.
Yeah, but I'm taking ownership. I had all the work anyway.
Of
We're going to Booker's, and then we're going to go to the warehouse and do some work, and then we're going to go out for lunch, and then we're going to go to the gym. What a day.
Then we're going out to watch a band this evening.
I'm going out to watch a band. So there's actually loads to do. Yeah, but I need to upload it before midnight.
Yeah, but okay.
Anyway.
You won't see the band. You'll see the band tomorrow.
Yeah, well, no, you might see the band tonight. I usually upload it about midnight.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, you'll see the band. Lucky you.
Yeah, and that's it. We must not buy chocolate in Booker's. We've got enough.
We've got so much chocolate.
My arm hurts doing this. I need a
You need a selfie stick.
I need a selfie stick. That's even worse. Right, off to Booker's. No chocolate. No chocolate.
Why can't I move this?
No sweets. I bet, give it a second, I bet she finds the dessert section. What? Told you, looking at desserts. Anything you like?
I like chocolate fudge brownie.
Chocolate fudge brownie?
Yeah, look at that.
Jesus.
That's huge.
This serves 15. We're looking for rum and raisin ice cream. Rum and raisin. Wait. Have they got any? Have they got any?
They've got that looks.
See, up here, there's a reduced section. We're in the fridge. It's really cold.
It's really cold.
Really cold. You look worse. You look really cold.
I'm freezing.
The alcohol section is by far the cheapest one. Oh yeah, cracking, because this is like 20 quid in the shops. It's like $15.99 here.
That's well cheap.
This is the best deals. Yeah, cracking, yeah, it's literally the alcohol's where it's at. Lily, look. Proper bean girl.
Oh my God.
Look how big that tub of beans
I could
is.
eat that whole
Wait.
thing.
Look how big it is compared to. She's got a big head too, isn't
I
it?
do have a big.
So far, we've got this one pack of bacon. This is not an advertisement, but $2.99 for 48, and they're spring water. So it's just the same as Highland Spring, because we can't drink the tap water because it's full of sewage. Yeah. Packing that well, isn't he? Packing that well. Fucking lobbing it into the back of the van. Right. We also got cheap Coke and some prunes for my porridge because I've been having hard poos. And yeah, is that too much information? Yeah, it's alright, yeah, that'll do. Yeah. And where are we going now? Warehouse, yeah. And the warehouse videos are done. We're just at the warehouse. We've done the unboxings and now we're off to lunch. And I think she's listening to a voice note in the car. Yeah, great. Yeah, I'm freezing. Didn't really want to go back to work yet. Suppose I was only in there for an hour. Yeah, we're going to go for lunch. We're going to find a nice pub and just go get some food. I'm starving. Alcoholic. Oh, she had me. And now, hide the angry. Pose. Ooh,
What are you doing?
nothing. Be very quiet.
We're still waiting.
And it's been 32 minutes.
34 probably now.
But we don't want to complain.
But we're starving, and it's just for some bread.
Empty table. All we got is bread and brie. We got bread and brie. Don't even have to cook it.
Starving.
Starving. 38 minutes later, but we don't judge, do we? Don't judge. We've eaten all the food. Out of 10, she gives it a 4.
I didn't. I said it averages about a 4.
Average is a 4. We said the food was an 8, starter was a 2.
Main food was delicious.
We're going to get the dessert and then try and get the starters taken off the bill. Cringe.
Absolutely.
Lily went for the chocolate fondant. I went for the cheesecake.
It looks delicious.
And it came within a reasonable time frame, about 5 minutes.
Thank God.
I've convinced Lily to do the complaints. She's off now. Let's see what she achieves. She achieved absolutely nothing and is coming back empty-handed.
I want that.
So basically I did it. I didn't want to do it, but I had to ask to take the starters off.
He said, "Excuse me, can I have the starters off?"
And I never want to do anything like that again in my life. It was horrible. It was
But they were very
horrific.
good, weren't they?
We're going to go to the gym now and go for a shower. Maybe a little sauna.
But the people didn't even question.
The people, no, they didn't even question, they just took it off. They knew what should have been done. It should have been done in the first place.
Should have been done. They knew it was coming. They should have just done it. But they made us feel uncomfortable and pushed their luck. Anyway, food was good. Dessert was delicious.
So, whose vlog is this? Mine or yours?
They're back up. They're back up to an 8.
Yep.
Circle around with the common people.
we forgot to do a video, or I forgot to do a video on the way there, but we went.
Because he was miserable.
But we did everything else. We went for dinner. We paid for dinner. That bit was already in the video, wasn't it?
No, we've done the starters.
We come home there, had a bellyache.
I forgot a bit about your bellyache.
I had to take a peppermint. I had to do star jumps. I needed a poo. I had trap gas.
I gave you a belly rub.
It was a real thing. Had a belly rub. Anyway, we went to Wedgwood.
Wedgwood.
We went to go see who?
Kojak Revenge.
Kojak Revenge. They played some. The first half didn't like it. Second half, it was alright.
It was fantastic.
And now we're going home. We're cold, and we're going to put this to bed. I need to charge my phone. I need to edit this and upload this because I'm already late. Any final words?
Happy 30th of December.
It's 29th.
It's not now.
Says a lot, doesn't it?
It's not now.
Bye-bye.
It's not.